In today's video, we will be creating 3D animated stories with consistent character. I noticed most of you wanted to create stories with consistent character. For those of you wondering, we are not using Leonardo AI, Hyper AI, Pixverse, or any complex prompts. Today, I will introduce you to a new text-to-video AI tool with consistent character feature. You can monetize these stories on YouTube and TikTok. If you have any questions, DM me on Instagram. Before we start, subscribe and like. Script. So I told ChatGPT to generate an adventurous story, make each scene 4 seconds long, and give me prompts to generate AI videos for each scene. I also told it to give me prompts to generate a face for my character, which I will use to later generate consistent character videos. The prompts will be in the description box below. As you can see, it has generated the story and the prompts. It has also given me prompts to generate a face for the consistent character. Make sure to copy it. VoiceOver. For the voiceover, I recommend Fleeky AI or 11 Labs if you want to get monetized on YouTube. But for tutorial purposes, I will use TTS Maker, so go back to ChatGPT and tell it to regenerate the story without prompts and labels. Copy it. Now paste it in TTS Maker, select a language and voice. Enter the CAPTCHA code and click Convert to Speech.
Jack, a curious 10-year-old boy with bright blue eyes and short brown hair.
Now download it. Animations. There are 2 ways to get consistent character animation, so let's start with the first one. Before we start the animation, get your character face ready. For the animation, we will use Imagine Art. Imagine Art is an AI image and video generator with consistent character feature. So go to Imagine Art and sign up. The link is in the description box. Click AI Video. You will see some of the videos created with Imagine Art. So go back to ChatGPT and copy the first prompt and paste it in Imagine Art. Make sure to add the video style to the prompt or upload a picture of the style you want by clicking Add Style. Click Add Face and upload our character face. Now select the aspect ratio you want and click Crop Image. Click Generate. Now choose between the 2 and click it. After a few seconds, the video will be generated. As you can see, the boy has the face of the character we uploaded. Now let's download it. Now let's try the second method, which I think is the best. Click Character Consistency. Paste your prompt, add 3D animation and Disney inspired to the prompt. Select the art styles, in this case Disney. Select the aspect ratio of choice. Upload the reference character face. Change the aspect ratio and click Crop Image. Click Advanced Settings and enter the negative prompts. Make sure to increase the face accuracy to the max and click Generate. As you can see, it has given us pretty good results, so I will download the last image. Now we will turn our images into beautiful animations. Go to Morph Studio. Morph Studio is a completely free AI video generator. These are some of its creations. Click on Get Started. Click on Create New Project. Enter the project name and aspect ratio and click Create. Upload the first image. Paste the same prompt used to generate the image for the best results. Unlike other video generators like Hyper AI, Morph Studio can generate videos up to 10 seconds long. I normally choose 4 seconds per scene. There are also camera settings. Lastly, select the motion value. I normally leave the motion and camera settings to default. Now click this button to generate the video. After some time, the video will be generated. Now let's watch the video. After watching the video, you can see why I prefer this method. Now download it. Compile and edit. Go to CapCut and upload all the scenes and the voiceover. Drag down the voiceover and drag down the scenes accordingly. I repeated some scenes, but you can generate longer scenes in Morph Studio. Now we need a soundtrack, so go to Pixabay and change the filter to music. I searched for an adventurous song to match the story. Now, download it. Go back to CapCut, add the song and reduce the volume. Now let's add effects. So click Effects and search for Stars. Add your desired effect and drag it to the end. Okay, now let's add subtitles. So click Text and click Auto Captions. Select your language and click Generate. After the subtitles are generated, click Templates and select any template you feel is good for your story. So now we are done, so click Export. You can title your project. Click Export again. This is our video.
Jack, a curious 10-year-old boy with bright blue eyes and short brown hair, loved exploring the woods behind his house. One day, while playing, Jack stumbled upon an old, tattered map hidden inside a hollow tree. Determined to find the treasure marked on the map, Jack set out on his adventure early the next morning. Jack reached a fast-flowing river. He carefully crossed it using a fallen log as a bridge. Suddenly, a family of deer appeared. Jack watched them in awe as they gracefully moved through the trees. Following the map, Jack found an old, abandoned cabin covered in ivy and moss. Inside the cabin, Jack found a dusty chest. With a creak, he opened it to reveal ancient artifacts and gold coins. Thrilled with his discovery, Jack carefully packed some treasures and headed back home. Eager to tell his story, Jack excitedly shared his adventure and the treasures with his family, who listened with wonder and pride. That night, Jack fell asleep, dreaming of future adventures and undiscovered treasures waiting for him.